Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. And right now I am doing the FlyLady Zone cleaning from Zone 1 to Zone 5 and documenting my journey along the way. We have made it to day 12 of my zone cleaning journey. We are almost halfway through it, you guys. We are officially on zone 3, which covers several rooms, including the laundry room. So this is a space I have been meaning to catch up on. So I figured my first 15-minute zone clean would go great in this area. So what better way to start a zone than to throw in a first load of laundry. So I started with laundry, set my timer, and I got to work. So first thing I wanted to do is just clear off the top of the washer and dryer. You can see it is a hot spot for lint and dust to accumulate, as well as, just some soap residue from our laundry detergent. But I just started wiping it down, and really in just minutes, it really spiffs up nice. I should do this more often, to be quite honest. Anyway, I started here, and then as I was going, I realized another space that I have actually worked on earlier this year was the storage space that is right behind me, and I'm going to be moving to it in a second. But I bought some baskets that fit perfectly, so we could each have a basket in here for dirty laundry to go instead of having it accumulate on top of the countertop. It actually drives me nuts because I want to use the countertop as a folding area, that kind of thing. But it tends to be a catch-all for clothes. Now, another reason that I like to use this space right here where I just opened up the cabinet for our dirty laundry in 4 baskets is, I've mentioned it before, but our adorable, cute little lollipop used to have a problem where she would, go potty on our things. And we discovered after many trips to the vet that it was a behavior thing. So she does take a medicine that keeps her from doing it, which has been fantastic for all of us. She just seems like a much happier cat, and we are much happier as her people to not have our things ruined. So that was one reason we thought this would be a good thing too, is just to also take away any temptation for her to want to, use our things as a bathroom. So that is what that little cabinet is for 4 laundry baskets, towels, my stuff, my husband's stuff, and my kids' stuff. And it hasn't really panned out the way I needed. I think I need a couple extra baskets just to be in rotation to keep in our rooms as well. But I'm getting there. We're going to figure it out. We're going to make it work. Because when this countertop is clear, it is so nice to be in this space. Another thing I would like to do, and I'm just going to put this out there because I don't really have what I would call a decorating eye. This is the original paint we bought the house with. It is kind of half the room is painted this blue, and I don't love it. So if you have an idea for a good laundry room color, let me know. In the video, it doesn't look that bad. I'm kind of liking it in the video. So I don't know. If you have a thought, let me know what you're thinking. There is no natural sunlight in this room. But back to our zone cleaning. Painting is saved for another day, right? I am just going through, this seems to be just a catch-all for some stuff that doesn't even belong in here. A chewed up dog toy. I did buy this hanger for our brooms and mops that are kept in here, and I need to get it put up because that it's going to be a game changer, to be quite honest. And of course, if you've heard me talk in other videos, fire safety is pretty big for me. So I've got like a really good sized fire extinguisher, and there's actually one hanging on the wall as well. So I am always prepared because fire safety is a serious thing. And yeah, look at the difference. Just tidying up that little space made. I've got that tin that I stored all kind of like stain remover, odor remover things in, so that, again, this space can actually be a space that we treat we fold and we can treat our things. A full garbage in 15 minutes, or full garbage bags full of stuff, ready to go in the trash. One load of laundry in, one load on deck. And that felt pretty good to get that room started in only 15 minutes. I made a huge progress. So the next thing I decided to do is I am working on periodically my 39 by 39, and one of them is to make 38 different kinds of cookies. Well, that's a blast to my ego. Must have been that heavy sugar. So I asked my husband what would be his first one that he would want, and he picked an orange Dreamsicle cookie. So I hit the internet and found one of my favorite bakers, I Am Baker, and also a fellow Minnesotan creator. Got the few ingredients I needed, and I started to make my first cookie for my 39 by 39, an orange Dreamsicle cookie. And here that is. Now, I will tell you, if you are looking for a fun summer cookie, this is fantastic. I will link the recipe below from I Am Baker. I am a huge fan of hers, and this cookie did not disappoint. My husband loved it. My kiddo loved it. I loved it. And it was just a really good start to our first Monday of summer vacation. What I will say about having the urge to make these cookies is, one, I love to bake. And what I don't like is the cleanup. After I started decluttering and I started this whole journey of getting rid of things I don't need necessarily and pulling things together, baking, something that I have loved to do, but I always made an excuse not to because, again, I hate the cleanup or I hate the mess. Baking is so much more enjoyable. It's so much more enjoyable when you can just wipe down the counter and everything else is clean and the whole kitchen isn't a complete disaster. You don't know where to put things back because it's just in disarray. It's so nice. I absolutely love it. And just coming off of cleaning zone 2 last week and doing my little tidy over the weekend, it was just delightful to get to make a brand new cookie stress-free and just enjoy the process, which is something I really like to do. So it's just one of those perks of, or one of those things, kind of a side effect, a pleasant side effect of getting these zones done and working for a week in the kitchen. And now I got to do something I really enjoyed as a fun part of it. And that's why I wanted to share this recipe, this video. So I hope you enjoy. If you like orange Dreamsicle popsicles, you will love this cookie. Go try it. And let's face it, you can't end a baking session without shining up the sink so it's ready for the next day. It was very nice to see that sink nice and shiny as I ended my baking session on day 12. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. If you've been here a while, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you tomorrow for day 13.